Okay. Okay, now I think we've got audio going through the correct microphone. Okay. Fun. Okay, here we are. I think we're back on. We've got audio going through the correct mic. Okay, reasonable. Great. Okay, yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Okay. Alright, okay. Emacs news. Here we go. Where am I? Okay. Yes. Yeah, okay. So the first thing I gotta do is update the calendar. That's there. While I'm waiting for that. Oh good, it looks like the calendar is well behaved today. Excellent, excellent. Thank you for patiently keeping me company as I deal with technical issues. Emacs Wiki continues to have this thing where it doesn't like people using automated, well, kind of other interfaces to it. So oddnews.el doesn't work at the moment, which is why I'm updating this by hand. It's fine. Here we go, list of meetups. Now that that's updated, I can go to Emacs News and run my thing to collect all the information, except it's not called my... What? Oh, maybe it's called Emacs News Prepare now. Yeah, that's safe. Okay. Prepare. I renamed things, of course. So now this is called Emacs News Prepare. Okay, let's see if that works. I probably need to stash my changes to various things. Under Emacs, git pull. Yeah, git stash. Which key? Git pull. Now I can pull. Work mode, git status. Stash my changes. Okay, that works as well. Okay, so now I can do this again. So Emacs News Prepare needs some debugging apparently. Let's go find out. Expires in. Oh no, it's not happy with this. Why is it not happy? Reddit. Reddit is now a little unhappy about the expires in. Okay, I'm gonna need to do that off screen because it involves expiry tokens and things like that. So I'm going to do a little bit of off screen figuring out what is going on here. Why is the response not what I want it to be? Unauthorized. I didn't change my thing, did I? Emacs News Reddit Authenticate. I change stuff? Oh, okay. I need to... I just need to change some variables, which I will do offline, off screen, because secret stuff. Look, I'm getting better at figuring out what goes on screen and what goes off screen. Okay. Alright, here we go. So now my authentication is correct. Index Emacs news. Okay. I renamed things, and therefore I needed to update my list. What? Method not allowed. Is Melpa down? Sometimes Melpa is down. Melpa.org. Melpa. My website seems happy. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe it's just a temporary hiccup. Does someone give me a package archive contents? That's not actually the URL. Okay, I'll get to it later. Usually there's a nice list of packages that are new from Melpa, but if Melpa is being a little bit odd today, it's just going to be very short then. Package refresh contents. Yeah, it's not happy. That's happy. I don't know why it's not liking this. Error 405. Oop. Do other people run into this problem? Okay, well, we're just going to not list Melpa packages for now. I can fill that in later. It's fine. I only have so much time anyway. Okay, where am I? Rancode says hello. Hello to you also, Rancode. You know what I've forgotten to do? I've forgotten to start social streaming. So let me get that started too. Social. Where's my workflows? And that way I can have people's comments show up. Got distracted again. Social stream.ninja. Now it's should be opening. Yeah, auto find and activate. Do I now have a chat? No, not yet. Do the chat thing. Activate. Oop. I'm slightly confused. Hang on a second. Why? Going to all be sorted out. I just need to... Okay, if somebody posts a new message, let's go see if it shows up now. Let us see. Where am I? Let's see if this shows up now. I want to be like, you know, the big kids with their social stream overlays and chat and stuff. And also because it allows me to post messages from Emacs, which would be lovely. But right now it is... Aha, it's working. Okay. Hello to you too, Rancode. Alright, where was I? I was not stressing out about Emacs news and Melpa. I will get to Melpa later. Presentational fixes and improvements. ERT play key. What are... Ooh, ERT play keys? Tell me about this. I like this. So the Emacs regression testing allows you to define tests, and ERT play keys lets you now write a test that sends keystrokes. So I am looking forward to trying that. Oh, excuse me. Let's mention that up here. That's nice. I'm looking forward to exploring that. What's going on here? Did Planet Emacs Life not update? It's not. There's stuff on there. There should be stuff in here from there. Thank you. So normally all the stuff from planetemacslife.com shows up in Emacs News, so all I have to do is categorize it. But right now it is not doing that, which makes me slightly grumpy. And tells me that maybe I should double check that the feed RSS. Can I just? It's all the way at the bottom, isn't it? There should be a feed here. Yeah. And I want to check that it validates. Because if it validates, then the stuff goes into. Oh, it's actually an Atom feed. Yeah, it's a valid feed. And yet, there's no long list of things there. So that tells me that my Emacs News code org here. Remember how there's supposed to be like planetemacslife.com. This thing over here should get it. Oh, that's. Okay, RSS. Emacs News RSS. Oh, okay. I have to actually set Emacs News RSS feeds to something. Emacs News RSS feeds. Is it Sasha Emacs News RSS feeds? Okay, hang on a second while I go do this off screen. Where is my list of RSS feeds? I used to have this somewhere. Oh, here it is. This part over here. There's supposed to be like a feeds thing. Yeah, okay. I need to save it. Okay, now it has that. Good. So I'm getting this as a reference to this list over here, and it should save it as that. And of course I changed everything from Sasha Emacs News to Emacs News. And now I need to reevaluate that so that it will pull from those RSS feeds. Okay. Progress. I have 15 minutes to try to squeeze in as much Emacs News categorization as I can get before the kid comes out for recess. He's been having a hard time being interested in school lately, so I might have to go in and help her with working on more challenging math. Finding something that will be fun for her brain. But that's okay. I can do a little bit of Emacsing before then. Alright, where are we? Now I expect this to have... there you go. See, now I have my long list of things to look at. Very good. So I can get rid of this. Although I did want to mention this one. I'm going to make that one of my highlights. Oops. Okay, here, play keys. Okay, first things first, find the duplicates, get rid of the duplicates. Days until, I already have that. Export, yep, got that already. I mentioned that last week. Closure inspired, yep, got that last week also. That is also listed. More solution, yep, got that. Also did. I feel like this toggle debug on quit off. This stuff, I think. Okay. Yeah, okay. Alright, and let's look for duplicates here too. Yeah. Org auto scheduler, which is that? This is our org mode. Yeah. Uh-huh. And Trust Manager, yeah, there's a Reddit discussion, so that's fine. And this are videos that I included last time. Melba has stuff here now, so that's fine. Any new Alba things? Nope. Okay. So that's the duplicates taken care of. John Snader at Iriel likes to do commentary on things, so I like to include those in the stuff that he mentions. Oh, this is not actually the one. That looks like that's a new post, that's fine. Okay. This is actually a new post, isn't it? No, it's a different one. This is like here. Okay, let's attach it to that one instead. Math notebook. Here we go. Okay. Alright, it's fine. Jumping around a fair bit, but that's okay. Okay, that's that. And anything else? Let's. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Config, here we go. Alright, that's relaxing now. Back into the normal swing of things. So right now I'm just moving the, I think actually I got all of them. Yep, okay. And now we get to organize things. Do I have SpookFox connected? No, I like SpookFox. SpookFox lets me control Firefox from Emacs, which is fine. So, let me see. .NET Emacs Live? Yep, okay. Yep, that's connected now. Okay, let's go, let's go. Yeah, that's appearance. Usually I put that in community. What is this one? It like I can scroll from Emacs, and then I can just keep typing things into Emacs instead of having to switch to Firefox all the time. Emacs Lisp. Help focus. The thing that I was just looking at. Navigation. This is also Emacs Lisp stuff. Oh yeah, I figured out that to create a. It's very simple. You just use the URL to create the Google Calendar event from an ORMO timestamp, for example. Huh. Emacs. Not much. Okay, I can skip this part. Log more. Change images to WebP. Image extension. Writing. Do I put this in org mode? A multimedia maybe. Okay, that's community. box quote. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, that's fun. Look, it's been modified so that it includes the stuff in the heading. You know, I should probably try that in details. Which one of these is my capture thingy? Oh, there it is. Or capture. I consider use a kind of thing for my org capture details. Okay. Oh, added transient. I don't know whether this counts as fun or writing. I'll put it under writing. It's not. It's quite. Well, it mentions Emacs, but this is not quite. Embedding a Mastodon thread is comments to the blog post. This is an org thing. Org static blog embed. Okay. Randcode says something is cool. What is box quote? Maybe. Box quote looks cool. All sorts of other things are also cool. So yes. Intended the creator says hello, Sasha from Malawi, Africa. Hello, intended from Toronto, Canada. Very cool. Okay, dear it collapse. What is this? Oh, I see. It squishes it into like just one. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So that you can navigate really long directory hierarchies that only have a single child in them anyway. Oh, okay. Rand says the scrolling from Emacs. Yes, it's very handy. Spooked Fox scroll. This is the Sasha Spook Fox scroll up and scroll down, and I do it because you know, sometimes I need to read a web page, but I don't want to alt tab to the window and then alt tab back. So I have this code. All it does is it does a scroll by using SpookFox JavaScript evaluate in the active tab and just scrolls the window. Super helpful. SpookFox, it's cool stuff. Oh, you know what I should do? I should drop a link in here. Resources. Do I have it in here? SpookFox? No, I don't. I should totally have that here. SpookFox Emacs. Let's drop the links into the chat so that I remember to mention them. Here we go. That is SpookFox. That is the bridge between Emacs and Firefox. And SpookFox scroll up and down in my config. Okay. All right. Back to this direct thing. Yes. Second Life grid. Okay, fun. Shovels, I guess. Or go to what is this? Huh. GDoc read and GDoc write look interesting. When it gets unbroken, I would definitely want to look into that. Word cloud. Plus frame for everything. Upturn. Pause frame, pause frame. Is that more an appearance thing or a navigation thing? I'm gonna put it in other because I can't decide. Dear Ed. Modus, did I already include this? Modus themes. Modus export. Okay, that's fine. And then changed it. What is it called now? Oh, you just call it that. Okay. It's fine. And then of course he has the YouTube. This one is how long again? 2 hours 36. Nintendo asks, should I leave VI for Emacs? Sorry, Vim for Emacs. I like Vim and I have been reading some mastering Emacs, but 100 pages in, I don't get the point of Vim over Emacs. It's okay to keep using Vim. I like Emacs because it's so customizable, and a lot of people find that, you know, Doom Emacs or Evil Mode lets them have the best of both worlds. You know, Vim navigation, if that's the model that's already hardwired into your fingers, plus all the customizability of Emacs. So that works for them, but you will have to figure out what works for you. I really like it. I mean, I don't even use the Vim bindings. I use regular Emacs bindings, plus whatever keyboard shortcuts I've piled on top of it. But it's fine. What is this? Oh, also not, this is not the email that he was talking. So that is the page that he was linking to. I think I will just link to Uriel's post directly. Okay. Is this Emacsy thing? I'll skip it for now. It's not directly Emacs. So Rand says, Vim is not what Emacs is. Emacs is not an editor, but it does contain an editor. It's better explained as a Lisp interpreter, to be honest. I guess what one could say is Emacs is what the terminal is to Vim. Yeah. I guess you just have to figure out what you like. Not Emacs. Sentence. I think I already, yeah, I did already include that. Fix the typo there as well. Like, I will still occasionally fire up Vim for very quick edit on some plays that, you know, I don't already have tram shortcuts for. Like if I'm on my phone and I'm SSHing into some plays, then sure I can use VI. But Emacs is just, I can do so many interesting things that would be, I don't even know how to go about writing Lua to hack this sort of stuff into VI. I love taking advantage of this ecosystem of packages that I can just not even just use as themselves, but use as building blocks that I can take apart and recombine into other fun things. Like this thing about scrolling the buffer, so scrolling the browser from Emacs. Very handy. Where am I now? Let me. Just scrolling through things. That's part of the closure also. Okay. And I can say, okay, you know what, this is great, but I need to replace this link because it is a different link here. And so of course it would help if I actually evaluated the code for that. Reddit, what did it call? Spook Fox Look? Did I not tangle this? Reddit. Replace Reddit link. Yeah, replace Reddit link. I must not have evaluated everything. Okay, now can I do it? Yes. Okay. So, like for example, we're gonna skip the fav link because that's not actually what it is, and this is not about modus either. This is about Emacs fav theme, and look, now it's been changed. See, now that's changed. That's the link that's been there, and that can go into appearance. That goes into Emacs configuration. This is an AI thing, but likewise, we will change this to Anvil and change this to the AI category. So the fact that you can just kind of keep building all these little things to accommodate your particular workflow, it's easy, it's natural in Emacs, and it's not the case in places like Vim, where you kind of just expected to use it as it is. And customizing it is something for people who are like even more wizardly, I suppose. Anyhow. This does not scroll that's the way that I want it to scroll. Okay. Ooh. Oh, see, it's because this one over here, the whole page isn't scrolling. It's only this area over here that is scrollable, which slightly less fun. Also really big text. What is this even? Is this next? I guess I can put it in completion. Okay, I'll stick it in completion. People can decide if they want to get out of it. Code snippets, 4 themes. All right. Focus settle. Yep. And put that in org mode. Okay. Math. Do Emacs. Would be nice to have a. I guess there's no repo. It's really just that. Okay. Test goes into AI. Also this, Sam Assistant. Interesting. The completion thing. Okay, so that. How do you keep track of new useful key bindings? I am starting to work on using an org mode file for this, but it's fun to keep looking for ways to learn more effectively. Some people use post-its. Okay. Let's change this to our Emacs. And this is... Huh. It's all caps. Oh my god, this is exactly what I need. This is referring to org auto scheduler, which figures out the next thing you're supposed to do, I guess. So interesting. Huh. Let's see how it works. The readme feels like one of those AI generated things, so we'll see how long it lasts. But for a lot of people, just start with the idea of something and you can test the idea to see whether it works for you. And then if it works for you, then you can handwrite some code that makes it like just so. I'll stick that in. Okay, EKG updates. Oh, let's get it. Let's link to the YouTube here. Alright, how long is this video? I like to include the times whenever I can. 21:36. Fantastic. That's there. What is this with new note taking? Oh yeah, he's included a good summary. That's great. What do I want to put it in? Is it writing? Guess I can put it in writing. Because it's a note-taking application, but not necessarily org mode. What did I press? Ah! Okay. Alright, we're fine. Okay. Graphs in org mode. Matplotlib demo. Probably math? No, actually org mode. Org mode, of course. Because it's org mode. Timestamp debug messages with backtrace support? That sounds fun. I like that. I am looking forward to that. I can mention that. Keys DMSG. Structured debugging messages. What is it called? Timestamp debug messages. And backtraces. Nice. Okay. Let's stick this. Okay. Let's stick that in. Emacs Lisp. Paul browser extension. Probably this. What is this under? What is it connected to? It's a Chrome, Firefox, Chrome or cool. Okay, let's stick that under web. Skin. Looks fun. Other. Justin Emacs. That in other. This was fun. I started. I'm like halfway through reading this, and I'm enjoying it. The writing is very cool. I like the kind of the behind the scenes into thinking, how people think. Okay, okay, very cool. Like, do I stick this under org because it talks about dealing with org parser? I think so. I think I would put this under org, but I like it. I'll definitely want to call it out. modifying, publishing. Alright, that's where is this? I usually put this in coding. Okay. ICP. That's coding as well. Lesson dashboard for Jira. Yep. Okay. So I need this. This one. No, I'll just keep the Reddit thread. There's too much context in it. All right. Folio theme. 4. Other. Grammar spell checking tool. What is this? This is spell check. Okay. Is this? Yeah, this is writing. Yeah. I wasn't sure about this video, so let's go see what the transcript is. The transcript? No. As how about this one? Work mode, obviously. Live stream can be used editing. What did I talk about in this one again? I remember. Uh. Multimedia. Emacs session. Oh, I cannot evaluate this. Because language does not...
Eğer Met 6x shell dersen de shell açılır. Ben bunu tekrar göstereceğim şimdi size.
Yeah, the captions are totally useless.
Sadece yani dosya açmamışken 6x yazamadım.
Query replace. Yes, query replace is wonderful.
Mode. So my mod key is mapped to Cisco with
Okay. I don't think that my Emacs new stuff from last time really needs to be included in community. Just skip that part. And like what? Okay, remember everything's on. Okay. Tell me about this.
For example, in a new...
Okay, that's our mode, sure. Fiddling with my Emacs config and streaming setup. What did I talk about in this one?
this large text file. What am I doing? It turns out that slowness was due to a live word counter that I had in the mode line that was chugging things down.
Okay, that's kind of a community thing, sure. Meow. Keyboard configuration, I guess. Keyboard shortcuts is why. And literate programming. Oh, yeah. Okay. Alright, so that's the basic set of links categorized. Now I check a bunch of other sources for things that weren't automatically pulled in. Oh, that's good. People in the UVM are starting to be able to enjoy more literate programming type things. Let's see what else. Let's look for links. What? Okay, I'll catch that when I switch over to Mastodon. Alright, next up, Hacker News. Did I open this? Nope. It didn't like me. That's okay. Did I get the Tetris one ready? Yep. Okay. Lobsters. 13 minutes ago. Oops. Okay. Right? This is yep. Did I already get this? Yeah, I got that one right. Okay. Bunch of other little Oh, that's a discussion. Help thingies. Do I already have Ghost up? Yeah. Programming dev. Where was I? Let me world. Okay, let me ML. Okay. And then the fun part, Mastodon. So this goes and checks a whole bunch of places for for Mastodon updates. Big stretch. Okay, here we are. Yeah, that could probably be optimized with Emacs. That's cool. All right, here we go. Comet Trail. Yeah, it's already there. Why do I not have this in my planet thing? It's fine. Let's see. Okay, so I press one keystroke and everything it's boosted, it's saved to my org capture, and I can save to my org capture. Still showing up in here. Yes, good. It's still showing up there. Okay, very good. Yep. Yeah, I hear you. I like these notes that Ihor makes from meetups. He's quite thorough. Thanks in advance. Ha ha. Ha ha ha. Puns. Does this have a transcript? Yes, thank you. Oh, yes. I can put that in the. Okay. Did it get saved? Oh, my go to social is done again, isn't it? Okay, not gonna panic. Does it get? Yeah, it got saved here, so that's fine. As long as it gets saved locally, it's okay. Boop, boop, boop. Did someone already answer them? Let's see. Oh yeah, okay, good. So done? Yeah, it's back up now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Did someone answer? Oh yeah, perfect. Can I really have to make it so that I can easily look up these threads. I think there's probably there's probably like a lookup nested on. Look, I do in fact have a lookup toot. Ah, look at that! I have a lookup toot. Okay, all right, very cool. Oh yeah, what was this about? Oh, the kiddo is out. I will continue this later. Bye.